The Vivo X300 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most groundbreaking smartphones in history, as leaks now confirm it will proudly become the world's first and only dual 200MP camera flagship, a true photography beast that is ready to shape the entire smartphone industry in 2026. And while many believe that Oppo will be the first to deliver such a stunning camera revolution with the fine X9 Ultra, the latest reports suggest that Oppo has abandoned its dual 200MP prototype in favor of a dual periscope telephoto approach, leaving Vivo with a golden opportunity to steal the crown. And according to the highly reliable Chinese tipster digital chat station, the Vivo X300 Ultra, which succeeds the already powerful X200 Ultra, will not just bring incremental improvements, but will break every rule in mobile photography by packing two massive 200MP sensors, one serving as the main camera and the other as a periscope telephoto lens, creating a combined 400MP system that has never been seen before in a smartphone. And to make things even more exciting, the second 200MP periscope sensor will be a large 1/1.4-inch sensor with an equally large aperture, something that will allow unmatched detail, zoom, and low-light performance, while the main sensor, though its exact size has not yet been officially revealed, is rumored to be the impressive 1/1.1-inch Sony sensor, which could rival or even surpass what we expect to see in the Xiaomi 16 Ultra's telephoto lens. And together this duo promises to deliver photographs and videos with clarity, sharpness, and dynamic range that could easily rival professional DSLR cameras, making the Vivo X300 Ultra the ultimate device for creators, photographers, and enthusiasts. And if that's not enough, Vivo is not ignoring the rest of the setup either, because the third sensor in the package, an ultra-wide-angle lens, will reportedly still deliver a very respectable 50MP resolution, ensuring that every scenario, whether wide landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, is covered with premium quality. And let's not forget that Vivo continues its deep partnership with Zeiss, which will once again provide its famous T* lens coating technology to minimize reflections, improve light transmission, and enhance color accuracy, while Vivo's own custom image processing chips, rumored to be the successor to the Vivo V3 Plus, will ensure ultra-fast computational photography and video processing, giving users not just raw power but smart, AI-driven enhancements that push creativity to a whole new level. And while the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro will reportedly feature the Dimensity 9500 chipsets, the Ultra model will step up to Qualcomm's absolute best, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, which is expected to succeed the Snapdragon 8 Elite, delivering lightning-fast performance, better AI capabilities, and extreme efficiency, meaning this device won't just be a camera phone, but a full-blown flagship powerhouse that excels in gaming, productivity, and daily multitasking. And what makes this launch so fascinating is not just the sheer numbers, but the philosophy behind it. Because while most smartphone manufacturers are looking to copy Apple's iPhone design language with square camera bumps and minimalistic approaches, Vivo is choosing to innovate, to dare, to break boundaries, and deliver something truly unique for those who demand more from their devices. And this innovation will not just affect Vivo, but will put massive pressure on rivals like Oppo, OnePlus, Samsung, and even Apple to rethink their strategies. Because when a phone can capture DSLR-level shots in your pocket, the expectations of consumers change forever. And this is why the Vivo X300 Ultra could very well mark a turning point in smartphone history, a moment when the camera phone dream finally becomes a reality. And while many companies are experimenting with larger sensors, periscope zooms, or AI enhancements, Vivo is going all in with brute sensor power combined with smart software, and that balance is exactly what makes the X300 Ultra so compelling, because it's not just about putting two 200MP sensors together. It's about how those sensors work with Zeiss optics, with Vivo's custom chips, with Qualcomm's next-gen silicon, and with years of photography expertise. And for users, this means sharper zoom shots, incredible low-light images, more natural colors, faster shutter speeds, and cinematic video, recording like never before. And with all these specs, it's safe to say the Vivo X300 Ultra will not just compete with smartphones, it will compete with professional cameras in terms of portability and versatility. And while pricing details are not yet revealed, it's safe to assume this will be one of the most premium flagships of 2026. But considering the groundbreaking technology it carries, many will be ready to pay the price to own the world's first dual 200MP smartphone, a device that doesn't just follow trends but sets them, and with the launch still months away. Excitement is already building, tech enthusiasts are buzzing, and photographers around the globe are eagerly waiting to see just how revolutionary this phone will be. And one thing is certain, the Vivo X300 Ultra is not just another upgrade. It is a bold statement from Vivo that innovation is alive, competition is fierce, and the future of smartphone photography has never looked brighter. And as always, we will keep you updated on every leak, rumor, and official announcement about this revolutionary device right here on TechVerse.